Cuisinart electric kettle. I'm going to give you my pro and con experience with this thing. It's a really good kettle. I really like it. It works really well. It's very large, which is nice, and heats up very quickly, which is wonderful. I like that you can see how full it is here. I like also the different controls it's got. The presets are really wonderful, so you can see there it's labeled with like green, white tea, oolong, coffee as well. And it's also got the keep warm function, so you know it can keep stuff warm just sitting there, and you don't have to worry about it for like go off and take a shower or whatever you want to do, which is great. It's got a really good top, really easy, really big pour, which is nice too. Some of them kind of slow sometimes. This one's really great. Comes out really well, really fast, really controlled. Yeah, I honestly can't say enough good things about this kettle. It's really, really great. I would say the only thing to be aware of is that, you know, I mean, this is the case with most kettles, but you know, it has to, takes a little bit extra cleaning to kind of get in there when you're trying to make sure like you have everything cleaned, but it's not a big deal. You don't have to do it very often. Otherwise it cleans up really easily on the inside. It's just kind of getting through there. You need to make sure you might want to use a special cleaner thing, you know, like a little sponge-like thing that can fit in there. But yeah, can't recommend this one highly enough. If you're in the market for a new kettle, I have nothing but good things to say about this one. Enjoy. Happy shopping. All right, let's talk about this Hamilton Beach electric tea kettle. I can give you my pro and con experience with this thing. So we love it, use it every day, multiple times a day. I've had it for years. It's really, really fantastic. Love that it has a lot of size to it. It's not small, so you can see it has a lot of, what does it go up to, like 1.7 liters or something like that. I like that it has a different measuring on the outside, so you can really track it if you want to. The stand on it is great, nice and durable, really easy to plug in. It's just a little dirty, but it cleans up really nicely when you want to. We just haven't cleaned it in a while because we use it so much. And yeah, it's great. I mean, you just, you know, flick of a switch, it's on, and I got the light there to let you know it's on, and it's got this, which comes up really easily. It's great electric tea kettle. Honestly, I have no negative things to say about it all. I mean, with all of them, because they get so much use, you definitely need to be aware of it. Oh, it's starting to come on. Turn that off. Yeah, it goes so fast. It really heats up water very quickly, which is fantastic, and then turns itself off when it gets there, so it's great. I cannot say enough good things about this. No negatives at all. Highly recommend. Enjoy.